Hey everyone, it's your boy again, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review, we will test the latest Monopoly Go hack for iOS and Android trick on how to get Monopoly Go free dice rolls and money for Monopoly Go game absolutely free, safe, and online without downloading any mod APKs or any software. So guys, you can do it with your Android, your iOS devices, or even with your PC. So for a start, let's go to this website. It's called monobot.pages.dev. You will find it easily, guys, and then search down below for Monopoly Go. Click there, guys. It should load up, and then we will enter our Monopoly Go user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, how to find it. I have already copied mine, guys. It's mine, and just click continue, and it will start searching for our user account. So you should get this user found. So there we go. Now we will select our desired Monopoly Go free dice, rolls, and money. I will select currently the maximum and click continue. So guys, third step, load up and API will start connecting. So make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more and I will review more websites. So let's see what we'll get after this third step, and let's go. API is connected, our user account is connected, and now we'll have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. Just click I'm not a robot, and let's see what we will get. Boom! Verification successful. Look at this. Our user ID, Monopoly Go free dice rolls and money are sent. Guys, I'm so happy because we got this. So before this verification successful step, you might be detected as a bot. So guys, don't worry. You will have a list of tasks, of free and safe tasks. Just complete 2 simple tasks and you will get this verification successful step with your user ID and your selected Monopoly Go dice rolls and money. So when you get this, just open your Monopoly Go and let's see, is it actually working? So, oh guys, I'm so excited to see, is it actually working right now or no? Let's see. So, okay, still 5,000. I have nothing. So I will just open this in